so già che oggi quasi certamente sto sbagliando su di te. Ma una volta in più che cosa può cambiare nella vita mia? Accettare questo strano appuntamento è stata una pazzia. Sono triste tra la gente che mi sta passando accanto, ma la nostalgia di rivedere te è forte più del pianto. Questo sole accende sul mio volto un segno di speranza. Sto aspettando quando a un tratto ti vedrò spuntare in lontananza. Amore, fai presto, io non resisto. Se tu non arrivi, non esisto, non esisto, non esisto. È cambiato il tempo, sta piovendo, ma resto ad aspettare. Non mi importa cosa il mondo può pensare, io non me ne voglio andare.
Good day, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Man, what a peaceful song to come in on. I'm highly enjoying it. Welcome back to the live stream, folks. Thank you for coming by. It's nice to see you once again. Feel like I just saw you yesterday. I did though. Ha! What's up, noob? Welcome in. Good morning. Evgen, hey. Dude, making it a streak to be here, dude. Love it. How's it going, man? I was literally waiting for the stream to go live. Thanks, man. I'm glad you're excited for the stream to start. I'm ecstatic. I'm ready to go. It's going to be dope. It's going to be a good time. Oh, man, look at that. 16 active users right now. Let's go, boys. What's up, KV? Welcome back, man. Thanks for stopping in. Hope you're doing all right today. Random question to start the stream. Are you planning on starting a new project? Or are you going to develop this one even more? Yeah, it's a good question. That's everything we're going to talk about today. And get started with. So, the plan is to continue developing cycles. As I'm sure you noticed, as we were going through the initial development cycle and changing things, there were a lot of things that need to be changed. So I would really like to continue on with this 30-day launch cycle with cycles. No pun intended, I promise. I think I'm going to stick with cycles probably for a little while. I'm really trying to improve my iOS skills, and I think refactoring this app will really enhance that for me. So hopefully after like this update, or maybe even after the next one, we'll have more of a I don't know, like a better way of more interesting things to work on other than just changing up code and things like that. You know what I mean? Like starting to add features. That's the plan. But the foundation of this app right now is so shaky that I feel like we need to make sure that's pretty solid. So that's my thought process on it. One question I had for you all. Okay, understand? Okay, cool. I hope that's cool with you all. I think it'll be a good time. It seems like we had a pretty great time when we were developing it for the first 30 days. But question for you all. How did you feel about yesterday's stat stream? Did you guys find it useful? Did you think that it was interesting? Or do you think it was just kind of a waste of time? while I get some things set up here. Did that should be good. Oh, we gotta merge our stuff. Forgot about that. It looked pretty cool, to be honest. I just checked up on it from time to time. It looked amazing. Okay, cool. Hey, good to know, man. That's literally what I wanted it to be. I want you all to feel like you were a part of this development and release, because you were. So it made sense to show the stats off as they were going, you know? Like that's the stuff that we did. So I'm glad you liked it, Noob. Missed the stats part, but I love the review of what you learned when you were writing your Reddit post. Oh, cool, man. Yeah, I love that one too. That one's always really fun to look back on. Okay, good to know. So I think based on those two comments now and then, see if we get some feedback from other people. I'll probably post it in Discord, like a straw poll or something. See what other people think. But I think I think you're right. I think it was really successful and I really enjoyed it. And it's pretty easy. I don't really have to do anything. I just kind of hang out and chat every so often while I'm chilling and we do it. So good stuff. Good stuff. Well, 1.3.1 is launched. It's been good. Holy. It's your boy, Scope Web. Thank you so much for that, host. Appreciate you, my dude. I hope all is well. Thank you for that, host, like always. Hope to see you soon, Steven. Thanks for coming by, man. But overall, I can give you some stats from yesterday. So we'll see. Yo, Demon Wolf coming in hot with that host. Thank you very much, my dude. How's it going, man? Welcome in. So currently, yesterday we ended off the day with 415 new users. That's around 470 active users yesterday. And currently right now we're sitting at 382 new users for today. And as you can see, 42 active users right now. So you can see that there's obviously a big bump from from when we were chilling from before. So pretty awesome. I actually think that something might have just taken off because these numbers have just skyrocketed in the past couple minutes. So hey, maybe we'll catch it on stream. $470. Nah, man, the app is free right now. The app is in a free state. So all these downloads are no revenue. Man, okay. Getting it done, folks. This is dope. Free? Yeah, dude, it's free. What's up, Be a Code? Welcome in, folks. Thank you all for coming by. How many downloads you got? Right now we're sitting at 392. Yesterday we stopped at 415. So we're pretty much killing it right now compared to yesterday's stats. So good stuff. Yo, what's up, Scope? Marketing value is greater than 470. Heck yeah, it is. When bringing out your application, how do you bring it to people? How do you advertise it? Oh yeah, so let me show you the one Reddit post that did go up. Unfortunately, yesterday, the whole blog post that we wrote about the learnings of cycles was taken down. People marked it as spam and too much self-promotion, which was really annoying because I had already posted multiple times the same article in that subreddit, but it happens. Can't do much about it. But I go to this subreddit. It's called App Hookup, and essentially what I do is you just post any applications that are being discounted. So I just posted, 99 cents to free, and then I always add this previously ranked top 3, and it's gotten 79 upvotes, so it's pretty solid. It's actually pretty good for this subreddit. We're still at the top. We're number 1, which is good, dope. So that's the only advertising I do right now. Do you know Alex Jones? I do not, Sean. Who's Alex Jones? But that's why that's what I'm saying, guys. That's why we got to keep this momentum going, keep these updates coming out. Over time, these numbers will stay a lot more consistent. You know, people will be like, "Oh, Cycles, yeah, I know that app. I know that. I know exactly why I'm downloading that app. My buddy in school uses it or something like that. You know, just a funny lunatic." Okay, cool. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and I forgot to actually merge everything up to master. So we got to merge up to master. Let's build a release. Then what we're going to do is look at any bugs that have come out of yesterday's launch, and add those to the board. And then we're just going to start working on picking out some new issues to work on. And, we'll start the dev process and go from there. Alex Jones is the son of Jerry Jones, owner of Dallas Cowboys. Oh, really? Okay. Fist my Angus. What's up, man? Welcome in. All right. So we're just going to check out master. Like I said, I don't do any PRs since it's just me by myself. I've never thought it made any sense. But since we are live with a new release, I'm cool to merge this into master. I feel fine with that. So now that that is merged into master, we can git tag it. Git tag. I'd like to do dash tag. I always forget. Oh, let's just git tag. Okay. Git tag v1.3.1, and then git push tags origin something. Git push tags maybe? Oh man, I always forget what the command is in git for some reason. No, he was lying? Oh. That's a really good point, dude. Oh, right. Git push origin. And then we just do dash s tags. Gotcha. Okay. So that will push a tag up onto our... I'll push a tag up into our repo. So then we can go ahead and just tag that release. Yeah. So if we do that there, you'll see now that we're tagged with our release here. So I just do that for myself. I don't know if it's really necessary, but I like it. And the next thing we need to do is actually clean up our branching. Every Sean I've ever met was a traitor. Oh my god. Actually, I've never met a Sean with a W. So we're in master. Prod binary fix we can remove. And all of these we can remove from... I usually remove from remote. So it's git... usually git push, right? And then... colon and cycle model, and then I delete them locally. Yeah. Git push origin cycle model. Yep, that one's good to go. So that should delete it from our remote, as we don't need it anymore. His parents were with. Oh, Jesus. All right, man, chill out, dude. It's all good. And then invalid binary. Oh, yeah, invalid binary. Okay, and then prod binary fix. God, those stupid binary issues, man. I think I need a timeout. Okay. See ya. Easy enough. And unable to leave. Oh, it doesn't exist. This one was just local. Get branch, delete. Yeah, okay. And then we have release 1.3.1 we can do next. Push origin, invalid binary fix. Oh, oops, release 1.3.1, I forgot. Yeah, so I always do this at the beginning of projects and new releases and whatever. Just do a nice clean slate. UI tweaks. I don't even think I ever pushed that up. All right, cool. So now that we deleted those on remote, we can delete them locally. Next one is prod binary fix. Okay, and then release 1.3. And then UI tweaks. And we're done, folks. Cool. Get branch. Ooh, so clean, baby. I love it when it's so clean. All right, next step. Let's move over to a larger version of our Trello board. So we can see it a little better. And I'm just gonna go ahead and archive all these. Yeah. Because we have completed those. And so here's the next question. We need to figure out what we want to name this release. And I think it's going to be another ... update. But I am not sure yet. Yo, Herd Talks, what's up, my dude? Welcome back. Thanks for stopping in. But before we do that, let's go ahead and open up our organizer. And let's check out what bugs we have, if any, for this release. So we can go in here, crashes. See. Okay, so no crash logs apparently for here. I did get a crash log. I did get a crash report on Crashlytics, so we can take a look at that one, see what's going on there. Why would you remove entire storyboard usage? That's because storyboard, in my opinion, is a pain in the butt. Being able to do everything without storyboard would be a much easier dev experience for me personally. Yeah, makes things more organized. Watching it work, lol, add some nice contrast. Heck yeah, dude. I do that all the time, man. I have Twitch on 24/7. I have a TV actually right over here. And literally, I throw Twitch on there. And I'm watching people all the time. Well, thanks for coming in, man. I hope you're having a good day at work. Okay, so let's go back to Crashlytics then. Let's take a look at this bug and we'll log it. Let's see what we got here. So we had this one error. This has actually been happening since 1.3, which is also sort of a bad sign. We're gonna aim for release today. Oh snap, dude! What are you guys releasing? Okay, so bad access kernel, invalid address. So yeah, this is cool how they do this. They do a bunch of like little hints and things based on kind of what your error is. So apparently there is a stack trace against a heap corruption may have caused your app to crash. So that's kind of sad. So let's go ahead and let's see, view all sessions. I'm curious what we've done here. So there's only been one crash. Looks like it happened on a iPhone XS Max, running the latest OS, which is cool. I want to see the very last thing. You know what I think it might be? I feel like it might be populate pending request dictionary. I don't know. Oh, can't talk about it yet? Ooh. Okay, well, I'll be waiting for tomorrow, man. All right, so we're gonna have to look into this, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this as a bug. So Crashlytics number 51. Now I'm just gonna prepend this with Crashlytics. And we'll do number 51. And what I'm gonna do is just add the URL to this guy. And from here, oh, I guess I can add that in the description though. Heat corruption. Crash. Feels bad, man. Feels bad, man. So it's a bug, iPhone probably. Maybe Apple Watch? No, this will only be an iPhone crash if it's coming through like that. Tentative on what release we're gonna do. So that's the next stuff we should talk about. So the thing that I want to start working on is just really pulling stuff from this over here. Oh, I guess I could have done it here. So let's see what we got. Oh, one thing I wanted to do, integrate Logmoji. I would love to get that in. Just for logging. Even though I did make it, I think it would be really cool just to see that see that stuff work. And I think it would be really useful to get that like emoji set up. Change cycle muting UX. Oh, that reminds me, I need to add one more actually. Change UX of editing or of completing cycles early. This was brought up by You Want to Kill Me yesterday in Slack. Or in Discord. That was a good one. Oh, Cocoa Pods we actually did update already. Or we didn't update the actual pods, I guess. I vote for color selector. I know. I have no idea. I haven't even thought about it. Maybe that's a good one for sure. Like a good update. So the one thing, I'm trying to figure out how I want to go about doing this. One thing I really want to do is make sure we're always refactoring at least one section of the app at a time. So we can add in a feature, let's say, but let's also make sure we're also refactoring something too, which is the big one. If you could add it, it would kind of be a big update. Yeah, it would. It would be a really big one. For sure, I agree. I think I want to do this as well. Tweak mute icon for different Apple Watch sizes. That one has been really really annoying. Oh, you know what we can do is refactor the onboarding flow. And that one, I mean by refactoring storyboard. So essentially removing everything from storyboard and just refactoring those files. I think that might be a good one for us to start with and get a lot of stuff done. And it'll touch the very first part of the app that you see. We can probably pick up that one as well. Oh, and if we're going to do that, let's hit this up too. That'd probably be good. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, Evgen. All right, cool. Let's do that. That sounds fun. So, other than these, so this is integrate Logmoji, update CocoaPods, tweak mute icon for different watch sizes, complete ring is slightly unaligned, show message on Apple Watch if onboarding has not been complete. Yeah. All right, cool. So then here is refactor onboarding flow to not use storyboard. Code cleanup. Yeah, so this will be the big guy. This one will be iPhone improvement. And now we just got to put a release version on these guys. And I think that's pretty good. And then obviously we should do stuff about crash reports. But this one is going to be kind of... This one's going to be kind of interesting. Oh, one more thing. Update landing page to include... I didn't do this last time and I said I was. One live on Twitch. Are you planning for the entire month? So I will plan for 30 days, but if we happen to just like blow through this, then we can move on earlier, you know? But yeah, usually I believe this will probably take a good 30 days with the amount of time that I stream and the amount of time I do some extra work off stream. You better finish this today, alright? Damn, dude. Wild. $20 people. Dude, Estranged. What's up, man? You missed it. We had 47 people a bit earlier. Pretty wild. But this one I'm really curious about. The heap corruption stuff. I'm going to throw this in here as well as like kind of a big one. Oh, my guys, I forgot another one too. Ability to move cycle cells around on cells around. I get a lot of feedback on this. So essentially being able to drag them around. Yeah, boy. All right, so let's think of a release. I guess this will just be another this will probably be 1.3.2 instead of 1.3 instead of a 1.4. I think so. Hey, boo. Hammy Miami. Oh, my God, dude. What are you doing up right now, my man? Holy moly. Welcome in, dude. Hammy, I haven't talked to you in ages, man. What's going on? Welcome. What are you doing up right now, man? All right, let's create a new label here. This will be v1.3.2. Right? 1.3.2 probably makes sense for this. What am I feeling? This purple immediately attracted me, so we're going to go with that. I sent you a message on Discord. I think it should be an easy fix. You talking about for which one, my friend? v1.3.2. I'm just gonna delete these ones that don't have anything. They're just kind of waste space. Call time sometime, you nut. All right, man. All right. I agree. I probably should. Dude, I've been loving the models that you've been posting online, by the way. Top tier stuff. Guys, Hammy, dude, can you post a link to like your portfolio or something? Hammy Miami does some pretty dope 3D modeling. He actually worked with us on the Noni project, the AR augmented reality app. Dude, post your link here, man. I want everyone to check out. It's pretty dope. Oh, so when you have an empty list, a label is kind of cut off. I sent it. Oh, cool. Yeah, thanks, Noob. I'll go ahead and add that to the list. Thanks, man. I appreciate you, dude. Appreciate you for coming by. Oh, I already have a purple. It's the Apple Watch. Do I? God damn it. I gotta change it. I messed up. That purple's already an Apple Watch. I was thinking this blue maybe too. Nope. Same as the other one. God damn it. Why so small colors, Trello? Why so little color? I guess maybe we can do all the releases, those colors. That'd be fun. Did you wake up early or didn't go to bed yet? Definitely went to bed. I woke up early. Welcome in, InQ. Nice to have you. My stream starts at 5 a.m. Eastern time. EST. We're starting up, we're getting ready to get our new release going here. Just adding in some cool stuff. Getting our work board set up. And then Noob, I'm gonna go take a look at your stuff. Yeah, right here. Ooh, nice. Ooh, that's a nice catch, man. Good call. Thanks for that. And any of you who are also on the beta still, oh, that's another thing to do. We still will be doing beta updates. So if you have not used command !beta, get in there. Get into that beta. You're going to get the latest and greatest of cycles. And it would help me out greatly to get your testing in there. So thank you for that. So this will be empty cycle state has cut off label. Hawkeyes, heck yeah. And yeah, guys, check out Hammy Miami's portfolio page right there. Like I was saying, he does 3D modeling, and it's pretty damn incredible. I thought you guys might want to take a look at it. It's really cool. So that's iPhone. And that's a bug. We're going to add that file there. Oh my gosh, it adds the actual picture? Man, good job, Trello. Hawkeyes. Heck yeah, man. Wow, Trello, that's fantastic. I like that. It's the little things like that. Little things like that. Okay, cool. So I guess let's get started, eh? Oh, give me 1 second, actually. Let me go back over here. I still got to make that screen. I will make it, I swear. Probably this weekend. I just got to check one thing in App Store Connect. Okay. Cool. We should be good. Sorry about about that, friends. All right. So let's get started by branching off of dev. So git branch, git checkout, dev. Let's just verify that we are in the right code base here. Yeah, should be 17. Cool. So we're going to branch off a release 1.3.2. So git checkout b release 1.3.2. Okay. And then from there, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 1.3.2 and change this to build 1. Starting fresh, baby. Starting fresh with build 1. All right, cool. Good stuff. And we're just going to commit this immediately and push this to our origin. And set up our upstream. Git push origin release 1.3.2. Alrighty. So now our branch is set up. And we have our initial values 1.3.2 and build 1, which is awesome. Oh, I forgot to commit. What a fool. Nash adding initial build values. There we go. That should be good there. Yo, Hammy Miami. Thank you very much for that follow, man. Appreciate you, bro. Dude, if you're going to be waking up, you know, around 4 a.m. every day, come by. Appreciate you being here, dude. So I think the first stuff we should probably hit is maybe the smaller stuff. And so I think we might be able to hit this empty cycle state label cutoff first. Yeah, and just do that. I haven't really figured out a flow yet of how I should go about just like doing these. I feel like I'm just leaving the much larger ones for last. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. I'll just go ahead and start off with the empty cycle state cutoff. I'm not gonna cut off a new branch from here. I'll just cut off a new branch where we're doing the onboarding stuff. Pick one, do one, pick another. Thanks, Evgen. I appreciate you, man. I did need that help. I know, dude, but I always do it a certain way, okay? God. I like to be efficient. Anyways, yeah, okay, so let's do the empty cycle state cutoff. This one we're going to have to go to storyboard. I'm going to take a look at that because I have a feeling I might know what it is. Probably just constraints, which another reason why storyboard's a bit annoying and poopy like that. Did I do it through storyboard? For that? No, actually, I think I did that one. Yeah, I think I might have actually done that one via code already. I don't know, dude. I can't stand storyboard anymore. I can't stand it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did it here. Current cycle table view controller, and then I called it like empty state. Yeah. Add empty state. Here we go. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Yeah, so it's this loading animation. We were talking about that earlier. So that animation was actually created through After Effects. And so what Lodi does is it actually converts it to a JSON file. And so the file size is minuscule compared to an actual animation file. And Lodi takes that JSON and does the animation for you. It's pretty fantastic. It's awesome. Okay, so I think this is where the problem is. This is fine because the loading animation, I'm expecting it to be the same size no matter what device you have. This part is kind of janky. This right here is especially janky. So this is frame size width, bound size width, detail view. Do I add this to my detail view? Yeah, I have a hard-coded height in here. I'm curious if I just remove the height. Because I think it should be proportional to the width. But I could be wrong. I don't really remember. Oh. Noob, did you ever put a... Noob, what device are you on as well? That's also another thing to know. Have you added dynamic text sizing to the backlog? Yes, I'm pretty sure I did. I did something about the font. Or text? Text on different devices seems to be off. Yeah, that's what I ended up calling it. Yeah. There suggestion by Abjin. Yeah. The reason why I'm not pulling that one in right now is because that's going to impact the entire application pretty much, right? That could, like, a lot of stuff needs to be changed in regards to getting that set up properly in my mind. Yo, Pixel Dude, thank you so much for that, host. Appreciate you, man. Welcome in. I hope you're doing all right. I've set the font size on my iPhone to the smallest, and on cycles it feels huge. Yeah, you're right, because there is no... it doesn't... It's using system font, but I don't know if it's using like your settings of system font. I'm going to add that actually to this. Verify that we are using the user's system font size. How's it going, Pixel? Welcome in, man. Thanks again for that, host. But yeah, so I'm curious to see how this works out like this. So we can test this out in a couple ways. We can start with going like, let's start on a small device like a 6. Let's see how this guy builds. What's up, Fry? Welcome in, man. Dude, I'm so glad you told me that. You can just call me Fry. That clicked in my head immediately once I saw your name. For some reason, it wasn't clicking before. Hope you all are doing well today. Alright, here we go. We're going to check it out, Dandare. We're going to check it out, Dandare. Let's see what happens. Yo, Rough Cabin. Welcome in. Thank you so much for that follow. Glad to have you here, part of the team. Hope you're doing well today. New 6 every day. Add. All right, now we gotta delete it. I'm currently checking if I need to add stuff to my Trello. Nice, dude. Hopefully you don't have to add too much. Yeah, so we do have to set a height. For some reason, I thought we'd be able to dynamically do it. Let's look up the best way. Set label height based on text Swift. Oh, I guess you can technically use constraints. Number of lines shouldn't be our fixed. I've looked this up before, apparently. But this shouldn't matter because this is going to be the same size no matter what, I guess. The question is if the font size is changing, but I don't think I have it changing because I have it set here. So set up label. Yeah, I do all this fancy logic to do this. Yeah. Google knows all. Yes, it does. Google always knows all. Size to fit. Yes. Holy moly, I totally forgot about that. That is a really good point. Okay, let's see if that works. Yeah. Size to fit. Resizes and moves the receiver view so it just encloses its subviews. So does that mean I'll even need this? Curious. Evgen knows all. Evgen knows a lot, man. He knows a lot of cool stuff. He's had mad props all over this code base. No, it looks like we still need to... Oh, unless I hadn't set the text yet. That's probably why. Hold up. I put this in the wrong spot. Probably after we add our attributed text, we want to set that there. Yeah, that would probably make the most sense. Yeah, there we go. So the next issue is we need to center align that text. Can't remember what that may be. Text alignment center. Oh. I want to do something. I always do this when I'm not entirely sure how my view is being set here. If you keep the previous width, it'll work. Yeah, you're right. It probably would. But just for a learning curve, I want to see, or like just for learning, I want to see what the exact, how this is resizing to fit the width if I don't set anything, right? So if we do subtitle label dot background color, we'll just set this to green. So this is with adding our text, our attributed text, and then doing size to refit. So let's check out to see exactly how that's refitting it. I have a feeling I know what it might be. Cool. Yeah, so that's expected. So the problem is that we have a detail view, and inside the detail view we have a in the detail view we have the another child view. So essentially it's in like CSS, right? Like trying to center a div within a div. This is that same process here. So we need to figure that out. And by setting the width to the entire screen, that will always make sure that we're in the center, if that makes sense. So yeah, cool. I want to make sure that my assumptions on that were right. Yeah, so let's go ahead and just grab this. Command Z it up. Cool. Either that or frame.x equals width divided by 2. Yeah, you're probably right. I always have issues with that though. And like this is just one label that's spanning across the entire view. Oh. Oh, but I'm using detail frame. Oh, that's weird. I wonder why I did that. Oh, because I'm not... Wait. Subtitle, yeah. Frame size width equals detail frame width. Oh, I know what it is. I need to do it after the size to fit, or it's going to resize it still. Yeah, here we go. Cool. You need to do it after the... Oh, there you go. You need to do it after the size to fit. Yep. Good catch, man. I don't know why I put that awkward space. Boom, there we go. Looking snazzy, baby. Let's see. Let me take a screenshot of this, and let's do a comparison. Pretending you didn't read the chat first? Oh, heck yeah, dude. That's how I always do it, man. Awesome, that looks much better. Yeah, let's do a side-by-side here. All right. Oh. Yeah, so you can see it is clipping on the G there, but it's not clipping anymore here. Oh no, her eyes, they're closing. All right, cool. Let's try it on a couple other devices, just in case, to make sure that this was actually fixed. So we did a 6. Let's go to a 7 Plus. There's someone with a bigger screen size, and then we'll go to like a 10. Someone post the entire solution in chat, and I'm going to be like, oh, I just figured it all out. Well, Evgen, hopefully not. Dude, I'm still waiting for you to stream, man. I'm still waiting for you. You got me thinking yesterday when we were talking about streaming on YouTube. Curious how people are doing over there. I gotta go check it out. I haven't been over on the YouTube scene, the streaming scene, for a while. Cool. Still, yeah, no clipping there. Hopefully you can see that. That looks good. All right, the last one I need to check is the iPhone 10. I guess 10 and 10s Max. But I think if I check a 10, we should be good. We should be pretty solid. I don't see this affecting anything, but just to check. It's almost always tutorials. Yeah, that's the one thing that, like, I appreciate about YouTube, right? They have some pretty great tutorials, but for a live stream, I've also seen them do tutorials as well. And that's just kind of like, oh, it's cool. I just don't think it's as fun. I like something like this, where like you get to follow the streamer along to the end goal. You know what I mean? So I really enjoy. I'm thinking about streaming too. Dude, Hammy, you should totally do it, man. You already do streaming on Facebook Live anyways, right? Come over to one of these platforms, dude. Yeah, there you go. Cool, yeah, no clipping there. We're solid, folks. This was an easy, quick fix. Yeah, exactly, dude. Yeah, you should do it. Ooh, man, that'd be cool. I watch a lot of different like design streamers. A lot of them on here do pixel art for games and stuff, but I don't think I've seen many people do 3D modeling before. I might be wrong though. I might be wrong. All right, cool. That looks good. So that's going to be our fix. Let's just do a git diff real quick. So we remove that. Size to fit, and then we added the frame. Okay, cool. First commit of the new version underway. Fixing clipping of empty empty cycle subtype. Dope. I don't just do 3D model, you know? No, I know, but the stuff that I've seen you do on Facebook Live has been mostly that, no? Or am I wrong? The stuff I've watched, at least. Let's go here. We'll do a complete. Size to fit. Fixes all. Nice. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, you're right. You could do a bunch of other stuff too. For sure. All right, next one I think I will hit is... let's go to our update CocoaPods. We did do a CocoaPod update yesterday. But I would like to be... on the latest versions of everything we're using. I've always been curious between pod install, pod update. I'm pretty sure it's pretty explanatory, but I want to make sure. Yeah. Okay, cool. So the biggest thing that I noticed that we've been running into are some warnings. So for example, Lodi iOS, it has things like these warnings that have to do with some new syntax, whatever. And we should probably update that and get the latest stuff in there. And that's really just a pod version. Somewhat unrelated, but I once modeled the entire kitchen I wanted using Blender. Then I forgot to keep it when I formatted my computer. Feels bad, man. Feels bad, man. Oh, you funny. I know that pain. Yeah, that sounds sucky. Cool. So if we go to, let's open these up real quick. I guess what we should really do is check out what pods actually have updates. And then we should look to see if we need to update any of them instead of just blindly updating everything, you know? So again, Lodi iOS. Currently we are on. Does it give me the version? Let's take a look-see. I'm voting for new branch to update everything to the latest. Yeah, dude. That's a game plan. I just wanted to take a look at this first. Yeah, that would be terrible if... that would be terrible. Even though we haven't really changed much, but I agree. I agree. How do I get my pod versions? I think it's like for this one's different because I'm specifying which pod I want. Yeah, see, this was released like October 4, 2018. I haven't updated for a long time. You don't have a set version of the pod files, so they might be updated by accident if you remove the pods directory. Maybe so. Yeah, but that wouldn't be on install. It'll just be on update. Let's do this. Check current version of pod. Oh, this is of actual CocoaPod, I believe. Oh, there's the pod file .lock you can check apparently. Yeah, here we go. Much better. Okay, so let's see. Lodi iOS 2.5.0. What latest version are they at? 2.5.2. Okay, yeah, so we're pretty up to date then. I think you're right. I think when we were having the issues with the invalid binary stuff, when we reinstalled everything, it grabbed the latest pods. I think that's what happened. But for that, let's take it up a little more. Why not? Pod updates. Use the versions from the lock file. Yeah, but 2.5.0 was from the beginning of January. I used that way before January. Maybe I must have done something else, but that would make sense. I don't know. I'm not really sure. Okay. Well, I guess I want to update this to the latest anyways. Might as well. So we'll start with Lodi. Okay. So while that pod's going, let's take a look at, I guess, Crashlytics we can take a look at. I'm curious what the Crashlytics pod looks like. I think that one's pretty up to date. Oh. Oh, this will show up probably also on the website. It's top really light. Okay, cool. Holy moly, it's taking a while to download. Oh, literally in white. 3.12. Okay. Thanks, man. and we were at 310. Okay, so we're pretty close. Wow. Almost white on white. Yeah, dude. What about that dark mode, bro? Almost as if so, it has stalled. They would do black on black for dark mode, probably so. What's up, Kag? Lurk. Welcome, dude. Thanks for the lurk, man. I don't want to... Shit, I don't want to exit out of that. That would be kind of poopy. What we doing today? Dude, so we launched Cycles 1.3.1 yesterday, live in the App Store now. And today we started planning out our next release, and we already fixed one bug. So right now we're currently updating some third-party libraries within our project to the latest versions. But yeah. What you doing today, man? I feel like it's kind of stuck here. Yeah, dude. I don't want to command C out of this. Oh, man. It can take a while. Dude, I've never... Oh, yeah, you're right. There we go. I've never seen a pod take that long before. You've waited longer? Holy shit, man. Jesus. Working on an in-browser code editor because admins block other code editors. You're always doing that stuff. Always doing that stuff. I love it. Nice, dude. Cool. Yeah, you're right. It's not a pod. It's the entire list of repos. Ah. Interesting. Okay. Good to know. Ooh, baby. All right. So I'm gonna do a quick clean on this, and then let's just do a build, and let's see if we get those warnings anymore. Yeah, I get you. So it probably has to it can cache all the lists of names or something like that, and it'll be easier to search through the next time around. God, I love this song, man. Oh. Conversion to Swift 4.2. I wonder if that's something that we should end up doing in this release too. I kind of I used to update my Swift versions like almost immediately. But I just feel like it's not really necessary. But at the same time, like I don't think it would be that big of a deal. I have absolutely no idea what they're singing in this song. Dude, you gotta look up the lyrics, man. Top tier. Crashlytics was the next one. And we saw that was 3.12. So some minor updates there. Okay, that looks good. That made me chuckle, Pixel. I like that. I like that a lot. What's this variable X thing? Oh, right, because we removed those. I'm going to keep that there because that's something that's in one of our bugs that we need to fix. Okay, cool. So that... Did that update? That's interesting. Yeah, 3.12. I just add this stuff in Trello, so I guess that's cool. Nice, man. I would say that's pretty cool. Why didn't that update? I'm quite confused by that. I'm gonna try it one more time. Oh, no. Yeah. Do I have to point it maybe? That's really weird. Okay. I might have to point to it, but I think I'm just gonna keep it. I don't need it. I just did it because it was a latest version, but alrighty then. Oh, swipe cell kit. This one I always need to look at. This one's important and can be very finicky. This reminds me of the time I wanted to update an NPM package, but NPM decided it would delete all the manually installed folders I put in node modules. Oh yeah, that would make sense, dude. Oh shit. 8 things added to Trello? Oh baby. So when are you gonna finish them, Pixel? Today? I hope you fix them today. We get them all done today. Okay, so if not upgraded to Swift 4.2, use the last non-Swift 4.2 compatible version. Excuse me. Which is 243. Oh, but I do get the latest on develop. I mainly use Trello as a reminder tool and layout for things to do online. Oh, nice. Oh, that's actually pretty smart. So you, instead of using like a to-do list, you use, I guess Trello essentially is a to-do list, but I guess in that aspect you wouldn't really think about it like that. I can't remember why I use the develop branch, now that I think about it. Let's check out the releases, because currently I'm on 250. Latest release is 251. Cells do not hide correctly when also using non-swipe cell view cells. UI collection view. Oh, interesting. Okay. Maybe it was the only one with Swift 4 support. Yeah, I think that's what it might have been. Man, it's 4,000 stars. This guy is awesome. Cool. Then we're going to keep that then. We don't need to update that. Fabric I'm not going to mess with. If the Crashlytics version probably collides with that. MK ring progress view. Yes, let's check this out. So we are on 201. The latest release here is 2.2. Ooh, baby. We should get that for sure. What were the... Oh, added tvOS support. Nice. Added simple progress ring example. Might as well stay up to date. It will update on Pawn.cell since you have a set version. Oh, right. Yeah, so it'll pull from that branch. Gotcha. Hey, maybe we'll bring Cycles to tvOS. What do you guys think? Apple TV. That'd be interesting. I haven't used this in a long time. Okay, we got that to 2.2. Again, let's do a build on that to make sure that everything is as expected. I gotta think about what I want to do with this. I don't know if I really want that anymore. Apple TV, Twitch, Google Home, Siri, HomePod, Amazon Alexa. Everything except Android. 100%. I'm currently set up a Discord server, which is one of the things on Trello I have. Okay, nice. What's the Discord server going to be about? The masses were like Android cycles better than TV cycles. Nah, man. Never. That made me laugh, dude. That's good. That's a good one. All right. That's good. I'm going to keep the simulated remote notification server stuff set. Swift keychain wrapper. Third two. Wow. Yeah, I'm quite behind on that one. Let's do it. News and just world stuff? Nice, man. Sounds awesome. Cool. Swifty GIF. Yeah. Swifty GIF. Four two. Okay, we're not that far behind here. Okay. Sounds good. Let's do it. Then we'll do another clean, and we will do a build. And after this, we'll go ahead and just do a quick test of the app. And we'll see what comes out of that. Oh, here we go. There's actually Swift. Common has been renamed to run loop mode.common modes. Oh, it was introduced in Swift 4.2. Ah, okay, so that's... We can't go to 4.2 yet because we're not on... Gotcha, we're not there yet. So let's do Swifty GIF. .4.1, right? Yeah. Gotcha. Unless I just want to do the 4.2 conversion now. I currently own 2 Discord servers, one just for testing bots and one will become for people and such. Oh, cool, man. Yeah, dude, it's so crazy how easy it is to make bots these days. And just to test them up. It's great. It's awesome, dude. I don't think I need... Do I need this? Cool. Let's try this now and see if that helps. Bots barely require coding nowadays. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, man. There's so many helpful rappers out there that it just makes it so much easier. Never use coding for my bot because I use a program that allows me to do it without. No way. What program is that? I'm very interested to check that out. Would allow minor updates. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, cool. That worked. So 4.2, I guess would have made sense. Gotcha. Cool, cool. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Okay, so that seems to be good to go. And now let's go ahead and just do a quick build and run on this. Let's test out the app. Discord bot maker on Steam. Whoa. Dude, that's wild. I had no idea that was the thing. Nice. Okay. So I did that. Dope. Looking good to me. Cool. So we got our pods updated. Everything was modified. Whoa. Updating pod files. Let's merge that in. Alrighty, merged in. You know, I have no idea what y'all are talking about, but I enjoy being here. It's alright, Hammy, dude. Many people come in like that. It's all about the good vibes, the good music, all the good times, man. And then if you want to learn a little bit of code on the side, you can. This song is like my freaking jam, dude. I love it. It's so funky. All right, so this was, what do we end up updating here? Lodi. Just gonna copy all this. This is current pod versions. Dope. Yo, good morning, Sly. Welcome in, man. How goes it today? Well, finish the 2 most important things to the Discord I'm making. Hey, you're gonna have an awesome community. Get it done, dude. Oh, I guess we could have waited to do one more update, which was install my pod. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Let's see how this works. Doing good, man. Doing good. Just getting started on our next release of cycles already. Getting stuff done. Growing community on Discord is hard. Yeah, I would agree, man. It definitely is. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. All right, so let's do integrate logmoji. And if I have showed you guys logmoji before, I think. But if you haven't, this is a pod that I actually made during a hackathon. Actually, the hackathon that I put on last year called Hackalong. It's the Twitch streamer hackathon. This was my project. Essentially, all it is a way to associate emojis with different sorts of events in your code, in your logs. So like if you have some sort of state which is it's successful or a warning or it's like something critical, you can just add the emoji corresponding to that. So I wanted to add that in here. 1, because I wanted to actually test this out in an app that I'm using, and then 2, because I think it would actually be pretty useful for parsing through all the logs that I have. Nice GitHub stats. Damn, dude. Tried my ass. What the heck? Yeah, I mean, I haven't advertised it or anything, so I just kind of let it be. And there probably could actually be a lot of refactoring that goes into this. Yeah, probably so. I'm thinking how I'm going to put this in. Yeah, okay, so let's do this. We can do this for... I think we're gonna need to bring this in for both. Maybe we can do PRs? Yeah, you're more than welcome to. Feel free to take a look at it. check it out. It is open source. It is there for a reason. Three things to do on the Discord. Invite people, day 1 through 10 checkups, and adding mods. Damn, dude. You gotta... You're good to go there. Alright, we're bringing it in. Alright, so now what I want to do is in our logger here, pretty much, I just want to bring that in and we'll set up our Logmoji stuff inside here. Import Logmoji. I guess it's really making this into a class. Oh man. Where's the source code? Source code. If you go to the pod itself, let me exit out of that. Where did I open this? Oh, here it is. If you go to the GitHub repo, it should just be slash. It's /Logmoji. You can go there. It's a pretty simple setup, but there's a lot of things that probably could be changed. Like, instead of doing this, I use a singleton to handle this this instance here. Couldn't find the source code in the repo? Really? Oh, you have to go to classes and then you go logmoji.swift. That's it. It's literally like one file or two files. Yeah. Yo, Q Marco 99. Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome in. See you later, Cat. Have a good one, man. Sounds good, man. Enjoy. Thanks for taking a look. But so we'll go ahead and set this up, and I guess really what this should end up being is this logger class, but if I change this, I'm gonna have to change everything, which is fine, I guess. And one other thing I realized. When we do log with state, we need to pass in the message. Yeah, this actually might end up being a little awkward because since we're using log to crash lytics, let's go to the actual source code here. Yeah, so this literally is going to end up a valid state, self.states, else. Log with method. So we pass in the message here. It literally prints it out. Ooh, I think I'm gonna have to remove this for now because if I still want to use Crashlytics. That's the only issue. I still want to use it. Unless what I do for now, until we actually import that, is we just use it in dev and in beta. Actually, it might work out pretty well. But we should totally put a improvement for this. Add ability to pass along message string. This is logmoji, so this is a bit different, but it would help. But this is really for would actually be nice to include a log to Crashlytics method here. And then maybe we can just hook it up with whatever platform the person's using. That would actually be pretty useful. Not to do that. How you advertise your server? It's a grind, man. Okay, so let's do our class here. So we'll call class logger. And we're gonna do private. Oh yeah, another thing I'm gonna start doing as well as I'm refactoring is start including our decorators here, like private, and things like that. I'm really bad with that, and I really need to make sure that I do that correctly. Let's do var log emoji equals type log emoji. We can just do this init here, and we'll do log emoji equals a new log emoji class. And essentially we'll bring this in here. I don't even remember how to use it. Here it is. Yes, define some of these states. Yeah, see, like, I essentially set this up since I'm using a singleton. So maybe we just do that, and instead of even setting a method here, we just init with logmoji logger. Log to console true set file path. I don't need, because I don't care about logging to a file. Now comes how I advertise. I have no advertisement skills. Pixel, the best way to start? Post it on social media. Or honestly, get your friends to just come join and use it, and then they tell their friends. They talk about how hype it is. Okay. And we're going to do log to console. Show timestamp true. I like my timestamps. I have one friend IRL. No. Dude, well, that's the other thing, man. You don't have to have IRL friends for Discord. Duh. Everyone knows that. I want to change this to like this emoji. You know what I mean? The success. okay hand, maybe. Hey, there we go. Yes, I love this one. So we add that there. One fun fact, if you guys did not know, you can actually create functions in Swift using emojis. So we could even do this if we if we really wanted to. We can do like it's a okay. Like you could literally do that and that would be a valid method. Oh, after I do this though. Yo, Gento, what's up, man? Hi to hi. Nice to see you, dude. Welcome in. Thanks for coming by. Some servers I'm in have self-advertisement channels. Yeah, dude. I have the same deal. When people have projects and stuff, I think it's nice. People like to talk about what they're doing, you know? But yeah, there you go. Interesting fun fact about Swift if you're curious. So that'll be our success message, our warning message. I think this is good. And then critical. Critical, I think I want poop emoji. Pile of poo. Yep. Feel like you. Feel like you. Can you call the class? Yeah, you can. Yeah, let me do that. So, if I did funk. Holy shit. And then I go here. And in my init, I'm like this. There you go. That should print out holy shit. Yeah, and it shows up as func that's declared in logger.swift. Yeah. So in case you want to start writing stuff in emoji form, go for it. Yeah, Genta just actually posted something on in chat about that. Yep, that will exactly do it. What a weird world we live in. But it works. Let's see, what does it say? I wonder if it's going to show the emoji as being undefined. Use of unresolved identifier. Oh no, it removed it. This is good. This is good. Use of unresolved identifier. Love it. Oh man. Okay. So yeah, I think that would be good. And so we init that, and essentially we're going to move this in here. And so now we're going to have a bunch of build errors, which is cool. Not a big deal. But what we can do instead of this, we can just go ahead and do logmoji.logger. Oh, snap. It depends on the state, dude. So we might have to start passing in state. Yeah, I think so. I don't think the image is actually right. The method is named differently. You mean the one that you posted? Yeah, we're going to have to start passing in a state here. And this is just going to be a string. Oh, gotcha. Well, that could essentially work. I didn't really look too much into it. And we can do log with state, pass in our state, and then obviously our message. And we can do the same thing here. So that will be good. I think this will be great. All right, we'll do a clean and then we'll do a build, and we'll see if this works. Oh man. All right, build failed. No such module log emoji. Oh, right. I forgot. Need to add the pod to our watch kit as well. And we'll do a quick pod install there. Oh no! Logmoji does not support watchOS? Oh snap. Why? I didn't support watchOS? Oh my gosh. What a failure. I didn't even realize that was a thing. Huh. Turbo Kaj, welcome in, man. Thank you so much for that follow. Glad to have you here. Thanks for stopping in. Welcome to the team. All two servers I'm in has avatar channel, so I put my server link in a tiny bit of what it's about. Perfect, man. It's a good way to start. You can also use all math Unicode characters as operators. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's cool stuff, man. Crazy. Oh, these are my different versions. Interesting. Pod spec. Oh, I have to put a watchOS development target. Shit, dude. God damn it. I messed up. I didn't know that. Ah, that stinks. Okay. That'll be another update as well. For now, I guess we're just going to only do our logmoji on iOS. That's okay. I also need to put a for watchOS. Derp. Huge derp, man. Oh man. What a fool. Okay. So if that is the case, we're gonna have to add this only to OS is iOS. For now. This is like a lot more work than it should be, but it's okay. I really want to use it. This is so much more work than it has to be. Oh Lord. Like, for real. So essentially we should do this. Yeah, it'll take a while, man. But if it's something you really want, you just got to keep at it. You'll have no problem doing it, you know? This is so funny, man. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, what was here before? My diff. I forgot what that print line was. Yeah. So essentially we're just going to do this for both. It's just gonna recorrect that anyways. So we'll see. Yo, Alchemist UBI, thank you so much for that. I appreciate your host, man. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping in. All right. So that's what we'll do. That's what we'll end up doing for now. So funny. Oh snap. Need to update the pod to accept watch OS support to remove all of the OS checks. And that means I should probably add all different OSs. 8 hours streaming, 2 hours driving, 8 hours working for the employer, 4 hours of sleeping. Pepe hands. Wow. That is quite a journey. What were you streaming 8 hours, man? Thank you again for that, host. Really appreciate you. All right, so now that should work. Let's build this one more time. It used to be even worse back in 2016 for sure. Oh God, we got to add this here too. I forgot about that. Man. Oh God, this is so bad. It's okay. I'm going to like it. It's going to be helpful. And it'll be another way to test something else I built. It used to be 3 hours sleeping. I was doing some Elixir Lang stuff and some minor refactor on some JavaScript CLI. Gotcha. Damn, dude. Well, mad props, but make sure you get some sleep. Sleep is definitely needed in life. Wonder if I can do a replace with this. And then this is gonna have to go with state. Success. I think it's a good idea for me to work in 4 hours, being honest. Probably not. That's a good idea. It's a really good idea. I agree. All right, so this was could not archive old cycle array. I guess this is probably a warning. Actually, and I want to change this to be error instead. So we have success, warning, and error. Can't even type anymore. Yeah, man. I could totally see it. I did a 24-hour stream, or close to 24 hours as my internet went out at the last like couple hours of it. But yeah. It was pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Received old cycle array. Yo, it's Coder's Life. Welcome in, man. How's it going today? All right, man. See you later. Thanks for the host again, and have a good sleep. Wonder if we should add another one here. So success, and then we also have not starting, but like what's a good way? Like in progress or something. Maybe we just call it progress. What should we do for that? That one should be like a thinking face or something. Or like a thought balloon. This is cool. I like that. All right. So progress. Or a traffic light emoji. Oh, that's a good idea too. How do you spell ellipsis? Ellipsis? Ellipsis. Yeah. Oh, I did spell it right. Damn. Okay. They don't have that. Dots. Let's take a look at traffic light. Traffic light here. Horizontal traffic light. Whoa. Or green light. What about green dot? No, nothing really. Horizontal traffic light. Nah, I don't think I like it as much, man. I like the thought bubble. I think that'll work for now. All right, there's one down. Crashlytics, log to Crashlytics is everywhere, so we're gonna have a lot of these. Yeah, literally look at all these. This is why this can be extremely helpful. All right, let's do this. Let logger like that. And then we're going to do a replace logger.log to Crashlytics. Yeah, there's 58 matches there. The only problem is the state stuff we have to do one by one. Because we need to know what type it is or what state it's in, right? This is probably an error. Then here we have cycle was nil from memory. It's also an error. Receive cycles array from memory. That is progress or success. This is an error. Awesome. Date, also an error. We got some Reddit comments on our post. Gotta take a look at those. Cycle was nil from memory. Error. Cool. Looks like a lot of these are errors, so that's good, I guess. You can convert these strings progs into enumerations. Yeah, so here's a problem with that. That's the very first thought. So that was the initial thought of doing this. This is actually a CocoaPod that I created that is live right now for people to download. The problem is that you create these custom states yourself. And I could not figure out a way to instantiate these custom enumerations, like the name of it, through this pod that I made, right? So right now to make this, what you have to do, I think it'll be better if I show it to you instead of trying to explain it. So right here, you set this states using a dictionary, right? And each state is associated to an emoji. The problem is, how do I set a custom enumeration, custom enum equal to a value like this? I don't know. I couldn't figure that part out. So that's why I did it like this. But you're right. Yeah, an enum would be 100% correct on that. Oh, unless... Actually, unless you just have someone pass him an enum instead of a dictionary. Right? So... maybe that could work? I don't know. We can always extend. Enums can be extensions. Yeah, but so if you use an extension though, but that's what I'm saying, like how you can extend it to be an enum, or you extend, what do you extend? I guess that's the part that I can't grasp right now. Tell me your thoughts, Coder's Life. I would love to hear what you're thinking, because that was the biggest thing for me. And when I was doing it during the hackathon, I'm like, I can't do this right now. Couldn't figure it out. Have a default enum with basic 3 or 4 states. Then people can override and extend. Okay. Yeah, I see that. So essentially here, instead of even allowing set state, lists the default enums that are associated with like logger state enum or something like that. And then they can do like logmoji dot logger enum extend. They can do an extension off of logmoji dot logger enum, and then they can just add their own enums, their own values to that. Does that make sense? Dude, that is top tier shit right there. Okay, I'm gonna add that in. I have this one log or this one task. Update logmoji stuff. Thanks for that feedback, dude. That's awesome. Create a default enum that has base values. Allow people to use those defaults and extend / override that enum instead of passing in a dictionary. That's dope. Cool, man. That's good. Yo, Perma, what's up, man? Good morning. Is anyone going to PAX South? It's this weekend. Holy moly. I am not. Sounds fun though. Where's that anyways? San Antonio. Oh, gotcha. Dude, San Antonio is a nice place. I like that. So I guess no. Cool. I had done this for a status indicator and needed a slightly different version for one of the other statuses, which needed different colors for existing ones and some additional things. Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes perfect sense. Yeah, you can override that stuff all in general. I highly recommend going to PAX some year. It's my favorite convention. Yeah, I've been wanting to go one of these years. Man, I should have went last year. I was over in Texas, so it would have been a lot easier for me. Would have been a lot easier for sure. You still owe me a coffee date, you nut. I do, man. Oh no. I can't. I need you to come to Florida, dude. I'll take you out. Take you out on that nice coffee date. So for now, what I'm going to do, because I have no idea when I'm going to get to this task. I'm going to just keep this state, obviously, because we're just using this. And then we'll go back and refactor that once more. Yeah, it's a waste of time. Probably could have been done another way, but we're almost done, so it's okay. His name is Miami. He should be Florida. He should, you're right. No, I know this guy IRL. He's not in Florida. I'm in Southwest Florida. I'm Southwest. Oh, really? Nice, dude. I'll be like, how? His coach is like, great. I am slowly going towards the ban button over your name, but don't worry, I'll see you soon. No, I think... No, it wasn't you, Perma, was it? I can't remember. It was you or someone else I was also talking about that goes to Florida Gulf Coast University. Yeah, I would think the same thing, Stacking. What's up, man? Yep, that's you. Okay, that's what I thought. Got it. I was like, I can't remember if it was you or not. Cool, yeah, we've talked about this. You told me about the Hertz hackathon. That I was really interested in. I also can't believe I'm in the same chat as this iOS god. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Also, my heart is permafrost. Oh my god, so sad, dude. What is this final daily number? Dude, we're killing it right now. Holy moly, actually. Yesterday, we ended at 415 new users. iOS god. Hey, what are you trying to say? Estranged? What the hell, man? Have a good one, Hurt Talks. Nice to see you, dude. But you guys ready for what today's stats are? Right now, 697 new users. Just from this morning. And part of last night, actually. Nothing. 697. Yeah, buddy. 910 active users for today so far. So killing it. Oh, we also reached over 100 reviews on Cycles. In the App Store, which is so dope. That's with all regions. In the US, it's 44. But around the world with all the downloads, it's over 100. Show me the way, senpai. Dude, you just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. I'll show you this. Yeah, so this is where we're at right now. Yeah, I don't know what happened this morning. Yeah, earlier this morning, we were at 40 users, concurrent users, which is pretty cool. Yeah, dude, it's awesome. Like, look at that jump. Crazy. And we've only had one crash, I believe, which we already logged. Yep. This is the only crash we've had. So that's pretty darn fantastic, I'd say. Pretty darn fantastic. We still have 2% of users on the old version of Cycles. Those darn hooligans. Get them off. Get them off of there. They're going to mess everything up. But since I have all you guys here, I wanted to know your thoughts on yesterday's stat stream. And just wanted to hear, like, what you thought about it. Was it good? Was it bad? Was it dumb? You know, anything. Anything. If you attended the stat stream, of course. Does Fabric charge for these analytics? No, they're all free. All free. But Fabric is shutting down, or they're becoming part of Firebase March, I think, of this year. Something like that. Yo, Draco401. What's up, man? Welcome to the Pixel team. Thanks for the follow. Glad to have you here, my dude. I'm an analytics nerd, so I enjoyed it. Awesome, dude. Glad to see. It seems like a lot of people had a good time just kind of chilling and checking in every so often. So if that's the case, we'll probably just keep it going for all the releases. I always enjoy it. I love, like, anytime I launch something new, I just want to stare at the analytics and, like, be like, oh my god, look, it went up 1, or it went down, it went up. Like, it's a lot of fun. That's one other thing I want to do as well, like KPI, key metric stuff. I haven't added any of that in. I would really like to do that. Into the afterglow. Caught in the undertow. Cool. Adding all this state stuff here. Flag is nil. Saving cycle flag complete. Bedroom, I know. Go. Date flag is nil. Error. It was down to like 6 seconds or something. It was so bad. That screen time improved by a lot also. Oh yeah, I think it improved by a lot because there's just more users that have started to use it for longer periods of time. And so here's the thing. Here's the thing, stacking. And I've had a conversation with a lot of people about this. I I feel like screen time isn't necessarily a great metric to measure how useful your app is. Because if you think about it, right, Cycles is an app that's not something that is like Facebook where you're scrolling through, you're constantly getting new content. You're there to do something for maybe 10 to 15 seconds at a time, to go in and complete a checkpoint, snooze a checkpoint, create a new cycle, delete something, which you can also do from notifications. You know what I mean? So I feel like that metric is somewhat useless. I'm more concerned of the metric of keeping people. I forget what it's called. It's right here somewhere. Something, you know what I'm talking about. Something like that. Retention. There we go. I'm more curious about retention. How many people come back? Yeah, there we go. Thanks, man. I had the biggest brain fart right there. But that's the biggest thing. So after everyone downloads this, I want people to come back. That's when I'll know the app is really useful. Damn stream delay. My bad, dude. Finish the advertising on my Discord server. Let's go, man. Good stuff. All right, almost done here. Cannot be decoded as int. Did complete. And then we'll watch all these logs flowing, baby. Can we just stand still for a second and realize Alec just enough money to pay for 5+ years of the Apple developer cycle? More iOS streams. No. I wish, dude. So if you didn't know, every time I release a new version of Cycles, I set the app free. So all of these downloads are free. None of these apps are paid right now. No one has been paying $1 for any of these. So in theory, yes, if it was $1, yeah, I could definitely be, definitely could be making a nice chunk of change right now, but I'm not. I always release it. I always open it to be free. And we're going to be doing that for a while. Yeah, there you go, stacking. Oh, sorry, I didn't read that, but yeah. Yeah. That's just kind of my way of being like, right now I don't think it makes sense to charge for that. Yeah, exactly. They do that as well. So it kind of sucks. At 99 cents each download USD, I make about 63 or 66 cents per download at 99 cents. So it's honestly not much. But right now, as long as I can pay for my Apple Dev account and pay for server costs, I'm happy with keeping this going. And then once I get to the point where we're actually, delivering some quality content, that's when we can start monetizing more, start actually trying to make money off of this. But right now it's at a state where it's like still a project, still learning, having fun. I don't need people to pay for it, but eventually I would like to monetize this for sure. I'm gonna start playing the waiting game. Hey, that's all you can do, Pixel. That's all you can do. All right, let's build this bad boy. Let's see what happens. I think we're gonna have log statements in other parts of the app for sure. This was just one massive file. Holy moly. Yeah, this is just memory manager. We definitely have a lot more to go. Maybe this wasn't a good idea. Oh boy. Oh my god. Shit, this was a bad idea. All right. I'm wondering, it might not even make sense to do this task right now before we do update logmoji stuff. Yeah. Okay, this is what we're going to do. That was a waste of time. There's way too much stuff going on here. We're going to do this. Only, yeah. What's up, Draco? It's because I ended up changing the entire function call, and I created a class, so all that needs to be changed. So let's create an improvement here. We'll set this for this 30-day period, but we need to set it up in an order to do this correctly. So improve logging and metrics. And so we can still move this over here, but this will be more of a bonus task. For me, this is more of a bonus task. Bonus task, if we have time. Here is what needs to go down. 1. Update logmoji. Pod to accept enums and extensions, as well as Xcode looks so clean and nice. It is, man. It's a really nice platform. It used to not be like that, but they've come a long way. Open a C# application, change the 2 and 2, and enjoy the errors. No way, man. Hell no. Just download cycles? My guy. There you go. By the way, if you guys are part of the Discord, and if you're not and you'd like to join, just use command Discord. You can actually leave cycles feedback. I'll put it into the improvement section here on the Trello board. Any suggestions you may have. Update logmoji pod accept enums and extensions, as well as logging to different platforms, i.e. Crashlytics. Then once we do that, create logger class and incorporate. 3, refactor all log statements to utilize proper states. 4, set up KPI on Crashlytics. So KPI is just certain aspects of the app that are being used. So that's what I'm more along the lines of improvement. Save that. We can keep that there. And we can actually just delete this. Can I just remove it? I don't want to really archive it necessarily. I don't think so. Thanks for downloading it, dude. I appreciate you. I guess so. I guess we can only archive it. Just gonna put that in there. What? One, two, three. What the heck? Okay, whatever. I don't know why it's not working. So, oh wait, Android. Nah, man. Your animation art is incredible. Thanks, dude. I wish I could say I took credit for that, but I did not. I did not make that. It's incredible though. It's one of my favorite. It's literally my favorite part of this app are those characters. They're top tier. All right. So with that being said, we're going to check this all out. Remove all the work we just did. And we're going to remove pods, logmoji as well. from our files. Yeah. I know him. Yeah, Hammy knows him. Yeah. Yeah, he did that work. Not me. He left pretty early on in the app. He was the designer. So maybe one day I'll have to learn how to do that. Or most likely, in all honesty, probably have someone else do it for me. Pods. Logmoji, where are you at? We're going to move to trash. And then pods target support. Logmoji. Cool. Sorry, Logmoji. It's been real. But we'll come back, I swear. You'll do it? Heck yeah, man. It's actually not a bad idea. I'm gonna hit you up, actually, Hammy. That's a really good idea. I haven't thought of anything else, but currently those are the screens that are just using that. If you don't have Cycles, Hammy, dude, you should totally download it, man. Tell me what you think about it. Okay, so with that being said, we can also archive this. I have some homework to complete. Have a great day. Hey, you too, Perma. Have a good one, man. I'll talk to you soon. That's actually a good place for me to stop as well. I got to dip out a tad bit early today. But I appreciate you all coming by. It's been a great time, like always. Dude, Hammy, always nice to see you, man. We'll talk soon. And, yeah. Again, we launched 1.3.1 of Cycles yesterday. If you haven't checked it out, go to the App Store right now. Download Cycles. It's free in the App Store. Join the Discord. Get in on that chat and leave any comments you might have about Cycles feedback. We're working on release 1.3.2 starting today, all the way for the next 30 days. And we've already completed 2 tasks. So go us. We're freaking killing it. Killing it. But anyways, appreciate you all being here. Stick around for the raid. We are going to be checking out some peeps today on Twitch. Let's see who we got. Let's see who we got here. I kind of want to look up a new programming streamer today. Let's see, Science? Hello, Science? Oh, man, where is Science and Technology? I can never find it, our list, because we're so low. We're so low. Dude, it doesn't work. Oh, there it is. It does work. I lied. Drives me insane. Damn, so freaking vulgar. Jesus Christ. Cosmos, a personal voyage? Interesting. Python, a real programming language. Hammy, I've been wanting to ban stacking years ago. just kidding. Should we check this out? That title just made me chuckle. A real programming language. Jesus. This guy looks kind of angry, man. Mod me, I'll pull the trigger. Got you, bro. All right, let's check this guy out. I'm interested to see. This title is just so funny. All right, friends, let's go make some love here. Here we go. Raid that. there's the first message. If you're a sub, grab that first message. If you're not, grab that second raid message. Let's go show this guy what's up. He's going to be like, what the hell is this? I'm interested to see his reaction because it's going to be funny. And apparently Python's the real programming language. So let's see what else he has to say about that. Thank you all for coming by. I'll catch you all here same time tomorrow. Don't forget. I would love to see this guy with the man bun too. Get in on that raid, folks. Let's show the community some love. Let's show the community some love. Alrighty, friends. Peace and love. Catch you next time. Thanks for the raid. See y'all soon.